Hey guys, welcome back to Twinkle Spray Paint Art. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, glad to see you back. I know it's been a while, but as you can see I've got a new video up now, doing mini surfboards. All I'm doing is putting down base colours of different colours on each surfboard, then getting the dish soap and pouring it all over the board on top, and then covering them all in black spray paint, letting it dry for a few minutes, and then removing the dish soap to reveal the colours and the design underneath. Also guys, please like and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this video. If you're new to spray paint art and are interested in trying to get into it, my advice to you is just start. All you need is a black and white cheap spray paint, some poster board or some card stock that I use, and just go to town and learn. It's so simple and easy. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So, get started. The reason I say that is because spray paint art is just so forgiving. And if you just make a mistake, all you have to do is just spray over it or just cover it up with different techniques. And you can never go wrong. You can always make something out of your mistakes. That allows you to tap into your creativity and ability to overcome any challenges that are presented to you while painting. If you would like tutorial style videos, I am more than happy to do some to help you get started, and we can also just learn together and improve together. I think that's a good idea. If you think it's a good idea, please comment below and let me know, and I will come up with some ideas for you to do, and let's see what we can both do together. And although I've been spray painting for a few years now, I do not consider myself at all a professional or a well-seasoned veteran. I still consider myself very beginner or at the early part of my spray painting journey. So do not think that I am amazing or anything like that, because I'm just the same as you. So like I said before, if I can do it, you can do it. So join me on my spray painting journey and learn with me and improve with me, and we can all go further together as a community. Also, if you have any ideas for spray paint art pieces, again, please comment below and I will try and do them. I hope you're enjoying these mini surfboard pieces that I'm doing. As you can consider